Achievement of a goal requires precision and the right combination. Uralchem created a diverse line of multi-nutrient granular fertilizers to help customers select the most suitable combination of nutrients and the fertilizer formula that works best with a specific crop and agricultural technique. All fertilizers in this line have a high level of quality and environmental friendliness and are marked with a Green 1 label. High nitrogen grades of complex fertilizers are effective for spring crops as a fertilizer for the main application during pre-planting cultivation as well as for at-planting application. They can also be applied to winter crops and perennial grasses as a supplementary source of nutrition in early spring. Low nitrogen grades have a lower nitrogen content relative to the equal ratio content of phosphorus and potassium, and also contain sulfur in a form accessible to plants. They are most effective for main and at-planting applications. Sulfur in these fertilizers improves nitrogen uptake and crop quality. These products are optimal for cereals, grain legumes, and oilseeds. High potassium grades increase the efficiency of protein and carbohydrate metabolism in plants, regulates the transport of water and dissolved substances, and improves the quality and taste of the finished product. These fertilizers also increase the plant's resistance to adverse climate conditions and certain diseases like root rot. High potassium formulas can be used for both main and at-planting applications. These fertilizers are recommended for fodder crops, oilseeds, vegetables and potatoes, as well as for soils with a lower content of exchangeable potassium. High phosphorus grades of Npks fertilizers feature a higher phosphorus content. Phosphorus promotes the formation of a strong root system and supports the plant's metabolism and respiration. These grades are used as the main fertilizer for winter crops, as the main and at-planting fertilizer for spring crops, and also applied to vegetables during planting. These products are recommended for use on soils with a low content of labile phosphorus. Low phosphorus grades have a high nitrogen and potassium content. They are effective as the main and at-planting fertilizer for all crops and as a supplementary fertilizer feeding during tillage. They are recommended for use on soils with abundant labile phosphorus. Equal ratio grades of multi-nutrient fertilizers can be used on all soils and crops. They are especially efficient for the main and at-planting applications. A high sulfur content in Npks 15, 15, 15, 11 helps improve the quality of the finished product. In particular, it increases oil content in oilseeds and protein content in cereals. Complex fertilizers with micronutrients contain nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, and trace elements like boron and zinc in a single granule. Boron is necessary for normal cell division and growth, and also stimulates the setting and preservation of crop ovaries. Zinc is essential for optimal protein, carbohydrate, and lipid and phosphorus metabolism in the plant, and also promotes biosynthesis of vitamins and auxins. In addition, it increases the plant's ability to bind and retain water. Npks multi-nutrient fertilizers by Uralchem, when precision is key.